Okay, if you want to go from one place to another place, like if you are Tanjavur to Trichy, you want to go by walking, you should all have the capability of walking. That capability you should have. That walking capability is naturally coming to us. So then if there is some place where you have to swim and go, then you have the capability to swim. If there's some other place you have to face some other type of hurdles that you have to jump and then go, you should have the capability to jump. So for those all things you should have practiced, or you have already trained for that. So in your life, whatever the goal you are looking forward for, to reach that goal, to achieve that aim, you have to have build some capabilities. That is called the capacity. So what capacity you have, what all kind of capacity you have, what all kind of capability you have, that will determine how faster and how easily and how better you can your destination and your goal. So capacity building is one of the important thing in everyone's space, because that we in this phase only we go for getting training and coaching on different aspects of life. As an engineer, we are getting trained on technical things. That is the only things in our engineering college we just learn about all engineering things only, fluid mechanics, electronics, or thermodynamics, or whatever the different technical subject is there, that only you are learning maybe 4 years, whatever the period you have to do your engineering degree. So that time you are skilled there, you are developing, because as an engineer, your goal may be something like that only, because when you become an engineer, you want to repair a fridge, so that you should know how to repair a bridge, you should know the theories behind that. So you are learning all those things. So that is the kind of training you are getting as an engineer. Not now, but in life, you have to have some soft skill and also life skills. We call life skills, where if you want to survive in this world, you must have some sort of skills that will help you to be a happy person and also grow monetarily, and also where you can help other people, and all those kind of quality you should have. Like for achieving that, even though you have the technical skill, you should know how to communicate it properly. That is your soft skill. You should know how to speak well, how you should know the language properly, what you are going to talk. And you should know, if you are getting some money, you should know how to manage that money. You should know how to invest that money. And you should know how to create different income resource. Just having the technical knowledge may not be enough for you to successful in life. You should, if you have to successful in life, you should have the life skills. If you have the life skill, then only you know how to do the things so that I can be happy and I can grow as an engineer, or as a human being, and also excel in our personal and professional life. So those type of capacity is very important. So we have to identify those capacities, what we have to develop, align to our goals, because there is so many skills are available in this world. We can't have all the skills in the world. We can have certain skill. As Adavan is a unique person. Unique. As a unique personality, you have a unique goal in your life. So you have to develop unique skill. And you have already some capability already inbuilt to you. So you have to work on those skills, and also you want to develop some of the skills which you require to reach your goal. So that skills we have to develop. So the capacity building is very important for every person, every individual who set for a goal. As an engineer, for him, it's a very must. For an engineer, capacity building is very, very much important, because basic the technical, if he take up any technical knowledge or technical topics, he should be an expert in that. So he have to be building the capability on that. Whatever the area he want to build that capability, he has to build capability on that. Also, he should know have the life skills and the soft skill to handle all this thing and his life.